Now I am going to discuss one important topic from Legendre equation and Legendre function. Okay. The subtopic name is recurrence relation of Pnx. What is Pnx? What is Pnx? Pnx is a Legendre polynomials of order n. Most important recurrence relation you have. Prove that 2n plus 1 into x Pnx is equals to n plus 1 p n plus 1 x plus n p n minus 1 x. You want to prove this recurrence relation. So we have important relation related with Legendre polynomials of order n. 1 minus 2xt plus t square whole to the power minus half is equals to summation n equals to 0 to infinity to the power n pnx. Now differentiating both side with respect to t. Differentiate this power 1 minus 2xt plus t square minus half minus 1. The power derivative is over. Now within the term minus 2x plus 2t. From here summation n equals to 0 to infinity n t to the power n minus 1 pnx. This common t2 is common from both. If I cancel, what you have? X minus t from here. So I write 1 minus 2xt plus t square whole to the power minus half at the top and minus 1 at the lower. Okay. And on the right side what we have? Same as it is. Okay. Now just cross multiply this. X minus t into that. What is this? This is equals to that. So I write here, and on the right side 1 minus 2xt plus t square on the right side. Okay. Just multiply. Then you term by term multiply with the summation. X into that, x n equals 0 to infinity x t to the power n pnx minus t into that summation n equals to 0 to infinity t to the power n plus 1 pnx. 1 into full expression n equals to 0 to infinity n t to the power n minus 1 pnx. 2xt minus 2xt multiplication minus 2nx t to the power n pnx. T square into that is n equals to 0 to infinity n t to the power n plus 1. Okay. Now after multiplying with all the terms, all the factors, now equating the coefficient of t to the power n. Okay, from here what is the coefficient of t to the power n? X pnx, right here. What is the t to the power n? But here try to understand, here you have n plus 1. But what is our requirement? Our requirement is t to the power n. Then what you do? You go back one step back. Just to go back one step. That is n plus 1. One step back means n. So this n also change n minus 1. Then if I consider t to the power n, what will the coefficient? P n minus 1. That's why we have p n minus 1. Okay. Similarly, on the right side part again you check. What you have? N minus 1. What is our requirement? Our requirement to find the coefficient of t to the power n. So that means now we are in one step back. So I should move one step forward. So I should write n by n plus 1. So this n will change as a n plus 1 and this n will change as a n plus 1. So what you have? So coefficient of t to the power n will be n plus 1 into p n plus 1 x. Just you check. Clear? Now come to the next term. Same process. What is the coefficient t to the power n? 2nx pnx. 2nx pnx. Okay. Next. Same process. We want to find the coefficient of t to the power n. But what we have? We have t to the power n plus 1. So that means one step ahead. But I should go back one step back. So that means I should replace all n by n minus 1. So this n replaced by n minus 1 and this Pn replaced by Pn minus 1. Okay. So that's why we have n minus 1 Pn minus 1 into x. Pn n minus 1 x. Now I simplify. What is P and x? How many terms we have? 1 and 2 on the left side, and on the right side all Pn minus 1 and all Pn plus 1 should be transformed on the right side. After simplification, what we have? 1 plus 2n into x, Pnx is equals to n plus 1 Pn plus 1x plus n minus 1 plus 1 Pn minus 1x. After simplification, what we have? 1 plus 2n x 1 plus 2n x Pnx is equals to n plus 1 P n plus 1x plus n 1 cancel n Pn minus 1x. Proof. This is very important recurrence relation from Legendre equation, Legendre polynomials. Please check. Thank you.